Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain 14th and 15th questions from exercise 5.3 page number 113 chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. So let's read the 14th question first. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. It's a simple question. We have to find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So what is the first odd number? A is equal to 1. And what will be the common difference? It will be every alternate number in the number series is odd number, right? So D becomes 2. And then what will be the last odd number between 0 and 50? An is equal to L is equal to 49. So last term L is equal to 49. And how many odd numbers are there between 0 and 50? So there are half of them are odd numbers and half of them are even numbers, right? So in 50 numbers, 25 numbers are odd numbers and 25 numbers are even numbers. So n becomes 25. There are 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50. Now we have to find out the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So we know the formula of sum of first n terms in an arithmetic progression is n by 2 into a plus L. Here n is the number of terms in the series, a is the first term, L is the last term. We have all the values, right? So S25 becomes, there are 25 terms, 25 odd numbers between 0 and 50 because half of the numbers are odd numbers, right? And half of them are even numbers. So among 50 numbers, 25 are odd and 25 are even. So our n becomes 25. So n is 25 by 2 into the first odd number is 1 plus last odd number is 49 between 0 and 50. That is equal to 25 into 50 by 2. 2 ones are 2 25s. That is equal to 25 into 25. That is equal to 625. So sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Hope this is clear for you. Now let's move to the 15th question. This question is lengthy but it is simple question. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So in a construction job, after a certain date, there is a penalty for delay. So the first day penalty is rupees 200 and after that for each additional day the amount of delay increases by rupees 50. So this is a arithmetic progression, right? Because each day the amount of penalty is increasing by a constant amount of 50 rupees. So that's why this is an arithmetic progression. Now what is the first day penalty? A is equal to 200. Rupees 200. And common difference D becomes rupees 50. He is asking us to find out the delay of the work for the 30 days. If he has delayed the work by 30 days. So n becomes 30. Now we know the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is equal to 30 by 2 into 200 plus n minus 1 is 30 minus 1, 29 into common difference d is 50. That is equal to 30 by 2 becomes 15 into 200 2s are 400 plus 29 into 5 is 9 5s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 14, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 14, 1450. Right? So 15 into 400 plus 1450 is 1850. 1850 into 15. That is equal to 15 5s are 75, 15 8s are 120, 127, 15 1s are 15, 27. So the cost for 30 days, the penalty for 30 days of delay is rupees 27,750. So S30, that is 30 days penalty, is rupees 27,750 rupees. Hope this is clear for you. I'll explain the problem once again. So there is a penalty for delay in the construction work. The first day penalty is rupees 200, and after that the penalty for each day increases by rupees 50. So he is asking in the problem, he is asking us to find out the delay for 30 days. So Sn becomes n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I have substituted the values of n, a and d in this equation, and calculated the value. The value came around to be 27,750 rupees. Hope this is clear for you. Please refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please share the videos and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.